Hello and once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to elaborate you about the top 10 dropshipping websites. So let me start. First of all, I would like to click on the Google. This is my Google. So you have to search over here. Right now we are going to show you the top 10 dropshipping websites. Here we go, we have the list of the top 10 dropshipping websites in all over the world. Look, this is the website first, the AliExpress. This is one of the most biggest websites in all over the globe. So let me search it and let me show you the interface of AliExpress. Look, this is the online market. And here we go. This is basically the AliExpress interface. There is, if you'll examine it, you would see dozens of the products over here, and you would have a lot of products over to this. Look, this is the more to love. The new features, the new products over here, like if you want to purchase any kind of cell phones or helmets or any kind of machinery, you would have the best option. And the AliExpress is going to offer you a lot of money for the not only the drop shipping but also offer the affiliate marketing too. So these are the products over here. As I showing you entire of the products, look over here. So this is the basic interface. So here we go, we have a lot of gadgets over here, and we have the also women fashions, men's fashions, phones, telecoms, computer accessories, customer electronics, jewelry. These are the interfaces. Wherever you will click, you will see the related products over here. Look, if I'm just clicking on the bags, look, this is entire of the categories of the bag, and you can see entire of the thing. Look, this is the home decor. Look, I'm going to click over here the bags, women's bags, sandals and flats and casual shoes. You would see these kind of categories over here. Look, I'm clicking over here. In drop shipping, this is a real thing. If you want to do the drop shipping, you can earn billions of dollars, not a millions of dollars. It's a billions of dollar product. You just need to have a vendor where you see the product and list the product over here in AliExpress. This is also one of the most famous website in all over the globe for the drop shipping, and also working from last several years, and very credible and very pure websites. So this is the first website, that I have been told you about the drop shipping. I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.